Hi guys, hi everyone. Since we are here now, live in Bohol, Tagbilaran City, we will do a quick room tour. I mean Panglao, hahaha. Let's do a quick room tour. So here we go.
So this is the main door. Come guys. And this is the living room.
And the living person. This is the living person.
And then we'll go with guys' room.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to my beautiful room.
Huh? Oh, turn on the lights.
Turn it
Blue
on,
lang eh.
and then close the door. So here's my things.
Ay, ka nang
Well arranged because yeah, it's me. I'm the brother. And then these are my things as well.
Abi na ko babae ka brief lagi na mo gila.
Oh, for sure na lang. Oh, these are all panties and bikini. This is my kama. Kama. So,
Joy, it's your turn.
it's your turn, Joy.
Oh, tawag ka man. Unsa man? Ay, dahil mo.
This is Joy's room.
Dala pa imong
Joy's
kanong
one day.
kani, what's this?
That is my maleta.
Sako.
My luggage, I mean my luggage.
Ako,
My beautiful luggage costs 2,500.
okay, dili na po ta.
Pesos, yes.
So,
now,
sa dili pa, unya ta sa room, dili ta sa kusina. Okay. Running show ni na to.
okay, so this is our kusina.
Di mo ko siya nagaluto. Ako nagaluto, guys. So, dara.
Yes, this is our mirror.
Mirror on the wall is the pocket of the
Yes, and that's the beautiful person. And the ugly one.
So this is our kitchen. This is our refrigerator. And this is the where we cook the fried rice nila kay Filipino ang sunod ni Kyle. And the sink and the grocery na mong ipalit and the water ay na siya guys by the owner at the Irene. And this is guys dili pa di all there's some things here na kailangan mo manuko and stuff like that. Whatever this house is complete. So there are five. The mesa and then dining area. So you gotta put guys in CR.
Okay, so let's moving on. Let's proceed to check my perfect, yes, perfect toilet, comfort room. Yeah.
Napa siya yung hot and cold
So I have my hot and cold shower. All you have to do is to turn it on.
Sige na ba yan siya no?
Turn it on, and then oh my god! What is this? Yes, this is my outfit for summer. For summer, for our beach today. Because after this film, we will be heading to Canglao Beach, Alona Beach. Yeah, are you familiar with that one, guys? And this is my sabun, my soap. And this is me. Yes, those are my things. So we need to turn off the lights now, and then
Close the door.
what's next?
Ako
And then, yes, now, the final round, we will be checking the room for Laila Salvaje. Miss Alves, sorry. This is her 12 times, I guess, opening her room.
This is my room. And then I like it better like guys' room though. It's just that creepyhan ko it's better siya. So this is
Wow!
special about it. It's like almost like a king size. Pero I'm just sleeping.
Oh my god. And then can you please show to us what's the secret? I think you have a passageway? A passage door?
Here within the room.
Oh, Oh my God! Wow, that's great.
So this is it. Nothing special. My toiletries and stuff. So that's it, guys. So for you to book, mo, use the code KAIBAYOT and Damoy 69%.
And then always remember to choose happiness.
Perfect!